Hi there, students. What is a preposition? Okay, a preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun and another word, particularly between a noun and another noun. So the bottle is on the table. Put it on the table. Okay, so this preposition is showing the relationship between something and something else in a sentence. And very often it talks about where or when something is. So inside, on top of. Prepositions, they show the relationship between different words. They very often indicate where or when. And there are a lot of words that require specific prepositions. So I'm interested in this. And prepositions are key in phrasal verbs and collocations. And if you change the preposition, you change the meaning. So prepositions are small, powerful words that do a lot of work. Very often we have prepositions in prepositional phrases. These prepositional phrases can describe nouns. The dog in the corner, run through the building. But they are okay, a phrase which is a preposition as well. So yes, I sent it to you shows direction. It will arrive before tomorrow. A basket of potatoes, a basket containing potatoes. Now, to me, it's quite interesting. In Spanish, school kids learn the prepositions a, ante, cabe, con, bajo. They learn them as a list. But in English, there are about 150 prepositions. We can split them into various types. Prepositions of place. Between the bank and the snack bar. The money is in my pocket. I'll meet you at the restaurant. So these are prepositions of place. You can have prepositions of time. Before I come to see you, after the sun goes down, during the morning service. It's due by Friday. And then you can have positions of direction or movement. He ran towards his father. They walked across the field. He fell into a hole. He threw it over the fence. And then we can have prepositions of manner, of cause, of purpose. So I went to school by car, using a car. She drinks like a fish. He only competes for honor. She reads with difficulty. And then there's a fifth set of prepositions which are general. They have various meanings, like prepositions of possession, of the corner of the room, the dog with the bone, or a source. It comes from Germany. It was made by a professional musician. Or prepositions of measurement. They sell England. They're selling England by the pound. Okay, and this is part of prepositions. These are the main types of preposition. They tell you the relationship between different things. And you change the preposition, you change the meaning. It's the preposition is there to show the relationship. The preposition could indicate where, when, who, what. And this is the idea. If you look at the word preposition, before, and position, positioned before. So in the doghouse, it's positioned before a noun or another word to indicate the relationship. Also, there's this question of, can you end a sentence with a preposition? Yes, you can. Don't worry about it. It's an old-fashioned rule, but if you twist sentences round to avoid a preposition at the end, they can become very unnatural. So a preposition, a word to indicate the relationship between the different parts of a sentence. So, preposition. Bye for now.